Munir Al-Han. Updated, July 17, 2018 1857. Iced. Everyone craves those delicious dishes that we see over the food channels being cooked by the celebrity chefs, but nobody wants to take the pain of cooking one. We often get baffled with so many ingredients that we ditch the idea of cooking a delightful meal for ourselves. It is rightly said that eating is a necessity but cooking is an art. We often miss out on so many easily accessible ingredients in our kitchen that would help us cook a delicious meal. And, you don't always have to run to the supermarket for your sudden food cravings. So, we've figured out 5 recipes for you that you can cook with just 2 ingredients. Fascinating, isn't it? 1. Banana flax crackers. These crunchy, sweet, flaxy, cracker banana flax crackers are a perfect go-to breakfast snack. They satisfy both your sweet tooth and crunchy cravings. They're packed full of energy, protein, and deliciousness. Ingredients: medium banana, browned or extra ripe flax seeds. How to make: mash the banana with a help of spoon until it's creamy with few lumps. Add the half cup flax seeds and mix well. Grease a baking sheet with olive oil cooking spray, drop 1 tablespoon drop and press flat. Place the baking sheet on your baking bowl and pour the mixture. Bake it for 20 minutes on 300 degrees or until the edges are brown and the tops are hard. Also read -6 red banana health benefits you wouldn't know about these crunchy, sweet, flaxy, cracker banana flax crackers are a perfect go-to breakfast snack too. Low-carb pasta. The recent growth and popularity of low-carb diet has led to a plethora of new ways to get your pasta fix without losing sight of your health goals. So, here's your low-carb comfort food. Ingredients. How to make: take 1 cup of mozzarella and microwave it for 1 minute. Now, add 1 egg yolk to the cheese and mix well. Spread the dough-like mixture on a tray and cut long pasta strips. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Boil it. Low-carb pastes. Low-carb comfort food. 3. Parmesan pepperoni pizza crisps. Pepperoni pizza crisps is a low-carb snack, perfect for those rainy days when you are craving pepperoni pizza but you are short on ingredients and time. Ingredients: shredded Parmesan cheese pepperoni slices. How to make: preheat the broiler to 450 F. Line a half baking sheet with a silicone baking mat. Drop 1 to 2 tablespoons of shredded Parmesan onto the baking sheets and top it with a slice or 2 of pepperoni. Bake 5 minutes or until golden brown. 4. Chocolate cake. Everybody loves chocolate cake but nobody wants to go through that laborious process of making one. But, this effortless recipe will make you fall in love with chocolate cake all over again. Ingredients. How to make: put chocolate chips in a bowl and microwave it for 1 minute. Crack 4 eggs and separate the egg white from the yolk. Whisk the egg white until it gets a foamy texture. Mix the egg yolks with the melted chocolate and then add in the whisked egg whites slowly. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. This effortless recipe will make you fall in love with chocolate cake. 5. Strawberry sorbet. This refreshing and delightful honey-sweetened strawberry sorbet will satisfy all your taste buds without sacrificing your diet quotient. Ingredients. How to make: cut the strawberries and make a paste in a blender. Add honey to the paste. Mix well. Freeze for 2 hours. This refreshing and delightful honey-sweetened strawberry sorbet will satisfy all your taste buds. Enjoy these super easy yet healthy recipes. If you more low-calorie recipes, then do share with us in the comment section below. Disclaimer: the opinions expressed within this article are the personal opinions of the author. NDTV is not responsible for the accuracy, completeness, suitability, or validity of any information on this article. All information is provided on an as-is basis. The information, facts or opinions appearing in the article do not reflect the views of NDTV, and NDTV does not assume any responsibility or liability for the same.